Hey guys, today we are working on a Admiral, which is built by Whirlpool, washer and dryer. It's in excellent shape, and I've got it filling up right now with a heavy jeans test load. That way you can see it run through the cycles, and that way you know when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work the way it's supposed to. Washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection to ensure everything on them work great. This guy's in excellent shape. A couple of little spots here on the console, but really can't tell stepping back here. Otherwise, in excellent condition. Very clean inside and out. So once this fills up, I'll let you kind of listen to it as we go through the agitate, rinse, and wash cycles. And once we get to the final spin here, so there's your agitation. When we get to the final spin, you'll get to hear it full spin, full speed, and I'll lift this up and you can see it spinning, all that. So that's it. We'll come back for the rest. Alright, now we're going into the rinse cycle, draining all the water out, starting that first spin. So we'll let it finish up that and get over to the final spin and take a listen to it. Okay, and we're back on that final spin. As you can see, nice smooth operation. Sounds great. And I'm going to lift up this lid and show you that lid switch works, that it'll come to a stop and all that. Of course, you're not supposed to do that when it's in the spin cycle, but I do for testing purposes. You can see, spinning nice and fast. Kicks right back in, starts right back up. That's pretty much it on this one. So we'll let it finish up, move those clothes over to the dryer, and let you look and see that one and listen to it as well. Okay, so we've got the clothes cleaned out of there. You can see it's nice cleaned out. Excellent shape here. Nice huge capacity. I believe both of these are super capacity. Yes, super capacity. So it makes that pretty big load look small in there. So we'll close that up. And we'll just put it on, say, time dry, high heat. It also has the auto setting up here, low heat for your delicates, and then no heat. As you can see, sounds great. Nice smooth operation. And it's a matching set, Admiral, which is just a surname of Whirlpool. You see those depending on which big box store you buy them from, but it's a Whirlpool set. And I've got my little temperature gun. So if I shoot my red light on, it's going to give you the temperature of. I'm going to shoot it in here and show you that it's nice and hot. Plenty of heat coming out of that heating element tube there. Grab a picture for the ad, and that way you can see it is heating like it's supposed to. Hit go. And of course everything been through all the electrical components, heating components, the motor, all of that. It's all been tested out. Works perfect. So there you have it on this set. If you have any questions, please reach out. Get these listed up for sale, and I do appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks.